If you feel tired, no matter how much you sleep, your digestion is slow and your immune system feels weak. This is not a motivation problem, it's a nutrition signal. And this spoon is something most people are ignoring. I'm speaking to you as a doctor, not as a content creator. Your body doesn't heal from trends, it heals from consistent, intelligent nutrition. Today, I'm sharing a recipe personally prepared. And not because it's popular, but because it works when used correctly. This dates soaked in olive oil, mixed with sesame seeds and black seeds. 4 natural ingredients, 1 purpose to support energy, digestion, and immunity together. Dates provide natural energy without crashing your blood sugar. They support gut movement. Also, help people who feel weak, dizzy, or constantly exhausted. If you wake up tired, your body is asking for better fuel. Olive oil improves nutrient absorption. It supports gut lining health and it reduces low-grade inflammation. When dates are soaked in the olive oil, your body doesn't just digest them, it uses them. Sesame seeds are rich in essential minerals, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. That means support for bones, hormonal balance, and nervous system function. Black seed has been studied for immune modulation and inflammation support. It doesn't overstimulate the body, it helps it rebalance. Now, this part is critical because this recipe is powerful, but only when used the right way. And this is where I'm different. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how much to take, who should avoid it, and how to customize it for your body. Natural doesn't mean safe for everyone. Certain medical conditions, medications, and even timing can change everything. That's why copying recipes without understanding them is a mistake, a fatal mistake. I don't share random health advice. I share what I trust enough to myself. Food can heal or harm depending on how you use it. Let's start with the amount because more is not better. For most healthy adults, 1 spoon per day is enough. Only 1 spoon at the morning. Not a big spoon, not 3 times a day, not until you feel heavy. This recipe works with consistency, not overload. Your body needs support, not pressure. Now, very important, you should avoid this recipe or consult first if you have uncontrolled diabetes, have gallbladder problems, or allergic to sesame, or take medication that affect blood sugar or digestion. Natural food still interacts with your body chemistry. Ignoring this part is where people get into trouble. Now, let's talk about how to customize it for your body. Let me explain something most videos don't. Your body is not the same as mine, and it's not the same as your friends. If you feel heavy digestion, you take it early in the morning. If your energy crashes midday, you take it with breakfast. If you are very sensitive, you start with a half a spoon and you listen to your body. Your body always gives feedback. You just need to pay attention. This is how food becomes medicine, not by copying, but by understanding. And this is exactly why I'm explaining this step by step. If you want help customize this recipe for you, your body, your energy, and your health goal, write customize in the comment below. I will reply personally to your comment. Don't miss to share this video with someone who wants to get more energy and feel bloated or tired all the time. And make sure you subscribe because I post simple, honest, doctor-approved nutrition that actually works. Your body listens every single day, so choose wisely what you feed it.